We're still at least 5 months away from the Galaxy S25's launch, but leaks about Samsung's upcoming flagship smartphone are already emerging. One of the biggest mysteries surrounding the Galaxy S25 has been its design, but we now have a potential first glimpse of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's front design. Renowned tipster Ice Universe shared an image on X, suggesting that this might be the look of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The image hints at a design with slightly rounded corners, a shift from the sharper corners of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. If accurate, this change could enhance the phone's comfort during use. Additionally, the tipster posted a comparison image showing the front design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra alongside that of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. From the looks of it, Samsung's next flagship will maintain the same screen size and aspect ratio as its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 series is anticipated to feature 3nm chips, with some models using the Exynos 2500 and others the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, depending on the region. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, set to be announced in October 2024, could give the Galaxy S25 Ultra an edge over the iPhone 16 Pro Max in terms of performance. Recently, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 appeared in the Geekbench database, showing promising performance improvements. In the Geekbench 6 benchmark, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, paired with 12 GB RAM, scored 2,884 points in the single-core test and 8,840 points in the multi-core test. These scores represent a 35% improvement in the single-core test and a 30% improvement in the multi-core test compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Next year, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 application processor, AP. This new Qualcomm AP, designed for flagship Android phones, will be unveiled at October's Snapdragon Summit. Qualcomm seems to be prioritizing energy efficiency with this chipset over sheer performance. A tweet from a leaker revealed that internal testing data shows the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC, produced by TSMC using its 2nd Gen 3M process node, and 3E, features an impressive Adreno 750 GPU. The GPU's peak performance rivals that of the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9300 AP, but at half the power consumption. This is promising news for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but there's a catch. While Qualcomm has focused on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's energy-efficient GPU, the custom Oryon CPU cores show only a single-digit performance increase compared to current-generation chipsets like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The battery capacity for Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra has been leaked today, and the news isn't great if you were hoping for an upgrade compared to the S24 Ultra. According to the well-known leaker Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra will feature the same 5,000 mAh battery as the S24 Ultra. Additionally, the maximum charging capacity will remain unchanged at 45 watt. Although the S25 Ultra is rumored to have a significant redesign, it seems some internal components will stay the same. This move might be disappointing to some, especially considering that some of Samsung's Chinese competitors have begun equipping their flagship phones with larger batteries. Adding more context, the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC, which is expected to power most Android flagships in 2025, is rumored to be quite power-hungry. The decision by Chinese companies to include larger batteries in their devices might be a direct response to this. If the rumor about the S25 Ultra's battery is true, Samsung may be taking a step forward in design but potentially 2 steps back in battery life compared to its main Android competitors. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Peace out.